Oh, hi, thank you for joining us. Welcome to the exclusive viewing party for our latest collection. It's called A Parisian Summer. And we're really excited to share the launch of this new collection with you. And we're actually starting off with this really cute tea party that we've set up for you guys. And Hafsa will tell us a little bit more about what we're going to do today.
So we will be taking you on a tour of Paris because this summer nobody was really able to travel, so we thought we'd bring a little bit of Paris to you. And we're starting with a little tea party of our own and with some yummy goodies.
Are you guys going to share some with me?
After the video is done.
Okay. So, what was the inspiration for you guys behind this collection?
So Paris is actually really rich in culture, it's rich in art, it's rich in like really beautiful architecture. So we've taken all of those elements and we've sort of incorporated them into the jewelry like we usually do with our other collection. So you notice there'll be a lot of like Baroque motifs that we've picked up from the exteriors of like the palaces in Paris and like the buildings and generally what you'd see. And we sort of try to like incorporate the character of the city with our latest pieces.
Yeah, and one of the things that we love about Paris is that there are just flowers everywhere. So even within the pieces, we've used a lot of floral motifs. One of my favorite pieces is called Versailles Bloom, and that is literally just, it's made based on the flowers that you find in the gardens of Versailles.
Okay. What did you miss most about the summer?
That's easy.
Yeah, I think that's an easy one and I'm sure all of you will agree, but I think traveling seems to be what we're all missing out on this summer, and we're really hoping that we can travel again soon.
Yeah, honestly, I just miss going out and having coffee with my friends, just doing basic fun things.
And what is the favorite color that you guys are rocking this summer?
So I think it's all about the pastels this summer, so you will see in our collection. My favorite is actually this really pretty lavender that we've used. So we've incorporated like hand painting into some of the pieces with this really pretty like lilac lavender color. And we're also using ametrine stone, which is also a really beautiful light purple. So excited for that color.
So my forever favorite color is pink, and we've used a lot of that in this collection just because Paris is a city that is synonymous with that color. So we've used a lot of rose quartz, a lot of pink crystals, and you will see that within the pieces. Ooh, what's this? Looks like it's an invitation to the Royal Art Gallery, and that's where we'll be going next. See you! So, welcome to the art gallery. We're going to take you through some of our favorite pieces on some of these famous French paintings. So this painting here is actually by a French lady called Marie Gabrielle. She was a French neoclassical painter, and as you can see, we've just attached our earrings, to give that Parisian vibe. So essentially, a lot of the pieces, this is one of our favorite ones. They incorporate pearls and rich colors like emerald green. And I'm going to take you to this other painting, which is sort of inspired by the decadent courtiers of Versailles. And for instance, even this piece, it incorporates some of the famous flowers that are found in the gardens of Versailles. And now we're finally at the viewing party, and I'm going to take you through some of my favorite pieces. So one of my favorite pieces is this one. It's called the Royal Ballet, and essentially we've fused rose quartz with onyx, and we have this cute little ballerina in it. So this is basically a pendant. It comes with a matching pair of earrings. And one of the other things that we've tried to incorporate in this collection is we wanted to make really old school French royal sets. So these are some of the ones that we came up with. For instance, this is called, it's sort of a Jacobean style of necklace. It was worn by courtiers in the French court. And again, so this comes in two colors. This is in a navy blue, and it is also in a striking green. And one of my favorite necklaces is the one that I'm wearing. It's called Esmeralda. For anybody that's seen The Hunchback of Notre Dame, you know what I'm talking about. So essentially it's a deep rich green color and it comes with a matching bracelet and tops as well. And again, this has really intricate filigree detailing in it. So it's basically emerald green and pearls. I'm just going to let you enjoy that before I show you one of my other favorite pieces. So what we wanted to actually do was make a French mala. You know, we thought that what if you incorporate the princesses of the subcontinent with a French princess? And this is what we came up with. So it's 5 basic lines of rich pearls, and at the bottom is a jhumki-like structure, again with deep green stones. This can also actually be any color that you'd like. So when we talk about flower earrings, these are some of my favorites. This is called Monet's Garden, and these are hand painted and they're set on a striking onyx stone. So this is something that will pretty much go with everything that you wear because of just the number of colors that is in it. And a lot of people have been asking us to make more pearl earrings. So this is something that we came up with. It's a 3D pearl earring. It's encased with, again, hand-painted flowers. So this is called Versailles Bloom. I think I showed it to you earlier as well. And like I said, pink was one of my favorite colors this summer. So these are the earrings that is sort of a testament to the summer that was. We've used rose quartz and we've sort of made a frame around it. So this again is a earring that can pretty much go with everything. Like the new collection. It is now live at www.ispherejewels.com. Let us know in the comments below what your favorite